Have you ever wished you could create videos in your own voice without actually recording every single time? Imagine writing a script, clicking one button, and instantly hearing your own voice narrating the entire video. Perfectly clear, natural, and ready to publish. No microphones, no retakes, no editing out background noise. That's exactly what voice cloning makes possible. And today I'm going to show you how it works using Vexub's voice cloning feature. This feature is especially powerful for creators who want to make faceless content but still want their videos to feel personal and authentic. Instead of using generic AI voices that sound robotic or overused, you can create a digital version of your own voice and let AI handle the narration for you. So let's break down how this actually works. Voice cloning in Vexub is surprisingly simple. All you need is a short recording of your voice. Usually around 1 minute is enough. This can be a simple speech recording where you read a paragraph or talk naturally. Once you upload that recording, Vexub's AI analyzes the sound patterns in your voice. It learns the tone, the rhythm, the way you perform, the way you pronounce words, and even the subtle characteristics that make your voice unique. After that process is complete, Vexub generates a voice model that sounds just like you. From that moment on, every script you create can be automatically converted into a narration using your cloned voice. So instead of spending time recording voiceovers for every video, you simply paste your script and let the AI speak it for you using your own voice. This changes the entire workflow of video creation. Normally, creating voiceovers can be one of the most time-consuming parts of making content. You might record multiple takes, fix mistakes, remove noise, and edit audio, but with voice cloning, you only record once. Now let's take a look at how to actually use this feature inside Vexub. First of all, open the Vexub dashboard and click on Create a Video. Then select the Text to Video option. This allows you to turn any written script into a complete video with visuals, subtitles, and narration. And then next, choose the format of your video. If you are creating content for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram, then you can select the vertical format. If you are making longer version, then you can choose the horizontal format. Now we move to the step where the narrator voice is selected. Instead of choosing one of the default AI voices, this is where you can upload your own voice recording. Just upload your speech sample and let Vexub process it. Within a short time, the system will generate your cloned voice. Once it appears in the voice list, you can select it just like any other narrator. From now on, every script you generate will be narrated using your own voice. Next, you will add your video title and a short prompt. Vexub can automatically generate a script based on your prompt, or you can paste a script you created using tools like ChatGPT or any other places. After confirming the script, move to the next step and select a visual theme for the video. Vexub offers multiple visual styles depending on the type of content you want to create. You can choose realistic visuals, cinematic styles, animated scenes, or other formats that match your video idea. Once you select the style, simply click Start Generation. In just a few moments, Vexub will create the full video for you, including visuals, subtitles, background music, and narration using your cloned voice. When the video is ready, you can preview it and make any adjustments you want.
These niches require zero face time. In 2026, online content creation is booming, but guess what?
You might change the certain visuals, adjust the subtitle style, or switch the background music to better match your content. After you are satisfied with the result, click Export and Vexub will render the final version of your video, so you can download it and upload it to your platform. And just like that, you have created a complete video narrated in your own voice without recording anything manually. What makes this feature so powerful is that you only need to set up it once. After cloning your voice, you can reuse it for every future project. This makes it much easier to stay consistent with content creation, especially if you plan to upload videos regularly. Instead of spending hours recording and editing voiceovers, you can focus on writing better scripts, developing creative ideas, and publishing more content. And that's really the biggest advantage of using tools like Vexub. So if you are interested in creating faceless videos but still want your content to feel personal, voice cloning might be one of the most useful tools you can start using today in Vexub. So go and check out their subscription packages. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts about voice cloning, and subscribe to Grow with Vexub for more tutorials on creating content with AI. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.